Hello everybody. This recording is for CIT 336, and so this is my introduction. So my name is Justin Gollage. I am 31 years old and I have been married for 10 years and have 3 children, as you can see here in this picture here. I'm originally from Southern California and a town called Temecula, but I currently live in Idaho Falls while working. I served my mission in Germany, Munich, Austria back in 2005 to 2007, and that was a great experience. A little more about me. Let's see. So I'm currently a CIT major in computer information technology. I have been for the last few years. I started as a mechanical engineer major back in 2014. But once the classes got really hard, I started to look at other options, and I chose CIT. And the reason I took this course is because I want to freshen up my PHP. I do work in IT, and I am a web developer for a local company called Cal Ranch, and we have recently started using a new platform which uses PHP, and so it would be a great learning experience for me to get more involved in that. And so, and I want to be, have a higher understanding of PHP and the integration of all that. And so, one interesting fact about me is I used to be a professional juggler straight out of high school. Some friends and I started our own club in high school, and we ended up getting pretty good, and we started juggling and getting paid for it after high school for about a year or so before I left on my mission. So my strengths and weaknesses. So my strength is I love programming. There's nothing better than getting your code to work, and I always strive to do the best in my coding and make sure everything is legible and readable and understandable. And one of my weaknesses is if I am working on something for a long period of time, I do tend to need to do something else, or my mind tends to get distracted, and so that would be my weakness. But other than that, that's all about me, and I look forward to working with each of you guys, and have a good day.